Hi everyone, so today I wanted to share my little refresh here in our living space with you.
I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but
before I can go ahead and do a little refresh, I just wanted to go ahead and tidy up a bit, wipe things down. It was fingerprints and dust all over, and I wanted to try to see if I can switch out the planters on the side of the TV, but I ended up going back to the original setup. Let's go ahead and start cleaning, and then we will get to decorating.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this.
Now that I have the sofa nice and clean and vacuumed down, I'm going to go ahead and move on to vacuuming the area rug and the floors and all that good stuff. And then we'll go ahead and finish wiping down the glass and all the mirror here in the living space. And we will start putting things together.
Waiting for your lead. I don't want to fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like.
Here is one of my little favorite little cleaning tools, which is a dog brush. I just use the back side of it to brush down all of my little suede stools here. I even brush down my chairs here. It just, look how beautiful that just wipes all of the handprints and all of that away from the suede. Awesome. And yeah, like I said, it is a dog brush that I use, so you can use anything. I kind of like the blanket not there, but I'm so used to it, so I'm gonna add it back. And when we purchased this couch from the outlet, this piece is a piece of tape. A metallic tape is on the wood, so you may see that sparkle in there, but it was damaged. Okay, so here goes my little refresh. In here, I kept it very simple. I actually switched my pillows out Oh my goodness, I really purchased these for my bedroom, but I thought I'll go ahead and put them in here and give the leopard ones a break, which they are placed over there because I don't want to put them away. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with those leopard ones, but they're there. Here goes the couch. I only added in the pumpkin pillow and kept everything else pretty much the same. I just added this. I actually have cream blankets, but this is just a piece of fabric. I was going to make a pillow with it, but I just placed it here. And over here is my little end table situation that came from West Elm. And then this is my game box. All of our family games are stored there. So yeah, I wish I would put it on display, but it's so beautiful. I love it so much. All right, and here goes the pillows. Kept them the same, just added in this pumpkin pillow here. I've had this so many years. Yeah, and not probably gonna buy any more pumpkins pillows. Yeah, so that's that. And these are what I've already placed on here. Again, those are back there. This is my plant from out of my bedroom. I just left it here trying to see if it'll do a little better in a different environment. So that's why it's two trees there, but it's fine. And here it goes. Here is these is what I went back with, my ginger jars. I could not figure out how to place stems, florals in the TV and make it look okay with plant greenery here and then greenery here, and then this was here and then this was over here. It was just way too much, so I just placed them back at the bottom because I just don't have anywhere else to put them. They're so large, so they just do really well stored under this little console table here. And then I have a bit much going on here because I still wanted to put these somewhere, but I don't have anywhere to place them, so I just put them on this table until I can figure it out. But right now, that's how this little area is looking. Originally, I had placed this plant here. It was too much going on. It was too busy, right? This was outside. This planter here was outside, so I just switched out and put it here and changed this base out. And yeah, it works well. So I was able to, this is a real live plant that's in here. It's actually in another plant. I didn't feel like replanting it because we're gonna have to pack these up to move. So I just left it in its original thing because we only have a couple more weeks and I didn't want to disturb this plant that's doing really well. Look at how beautiful this is growing. So good. All the way down. So I didn't want to replant it and then have to move it again. So I just left it in here and placed it here and move this. It's actually real. This is my aloe vera, but these are faux. I was in there, my aloe vera, and this is real live. I don't know the name of that one too much. I don't remember. And then over here, these are faux. I just wanted to grab something that was similar, whatever, but I just found these around my home and I just made them wider to make them look a little bit realistic. So yeah, that's faux over there. Here goes everything is here. That's faux and that's real. And then so yeah, I have a lot of this, and then this is just my little arrangement that I made here by my desk. It's on my desk. I'm over here working, but you guys see that I did change this out a couple weeks ago, and it just flows better. Here goes my living space, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little brief refresh. Here goes my coffee table. I actually did a styling of the coffee table on my Instagram. I'll leave it linked below. But I kept it very simple. Some stacks of books of some of my favorite. Here goes some crystals. And of course, I had to be extra and add some rhinestones over my crystals, and this is a fool's gold rock. Look how pretty that is. Here's some stack of books. I'm burning autumn wood
from Bath & Body Works. These are boxes I just found at Home Goods. And here goes my little fall vibes by adding a few pumpkins down there. And I added some over in the chair. But I decided to give it another little refresh with a lot of metallics and golds that already coincides with the pillows here on my couch. So I think it just gives another vibe with those.